This is the bird backpack I've been waiting for. Has mesh sides, space for a water cup, seed cup inside. We are parakeet people, so plenty of room in there. Lockable zipper in case you have an incredibly talented bird. Breathable is really the nice part, so you don't worry that you're overheating your bird. This brand is very good, has very good ratings. Made in China. Do not place in poorly ventilated areas to avoid oxygen deprivation for pets. Do not expose to direct sunlight in summer to prevent heat stroke. Very true with birds. Anyway, the price is good and it is awesome, especially to get it at this price is very good.
Okay, Jewel and I are going backpacking now. We're going on a little hike outside. We don't need a lot of background, just good.
Okay, quick little outside, it's a little chilly.
Look at outdoors. Look at outdoors. Look.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Peeping.
He's peeping. He's not too bad.
He's being a good bird.
He's a good bird. Says, what is this? I'm outside.
Come up close.
I've never been outside. Yeah, look. Prince is outside.
Look.
Yeah. Okay, he's turning his head like he's curious.
Oh, he likes it. Here, the sun is shining on him.
Yeah, well, it's not too warm. Good bird. He's looking at it.
Okay.
All right.